Hello. We are going to read about Jupiter by Cynthia Sherwood. If Jupiter were a person, it might run around chanting, "I'm number one! I'm number one!" That's because Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system and the one that spins the fastest. It also has the most moons of any planet and the largest moon. Jupiter also has the strongest gravity of all the planets. Ancient astronomers knew what they were doing when they named Jupiter after the Roman king of the gods. It would take about 1,000 Earths to fill up Jupiter. But for a gigantic planet, Jupiter moves very fast. It rotates on its axis about every 10 hours, compared to Earth, which takes 24 hours. Jupiter takes about 12 years to orbit the Sun. Jupiter isn't first in everything. It's the 5th planet from the Sun, and it's only the 3rd brightest object in the night sky, behind the Moon and Venus. Jupiter is one of the gas giants. Its surface is made of thick red, brown, yellow, and white clouds. One huge area of that surface is called the Great Red Spot. That's where a storm 3 times bigger than Earth has raged for more than 300 years. Imagine winds stronger than a hurricane lasting for centuries. Jupiter has at least 63 moons. Most are fairly small, but 4 are quite large. They were first discovered by the astronomer Galileo in the year 1610 using one of the earliest telescopes. The largest of Jupiter's moons is named Ganymede. It's even bigger than the planet Mercury. 6 space probes have traveled to Jupiter, so scientists have a lot of information about the planet. You can do your own study of Jupiter just by staring at the night sky. If you see a really bright star that's high in the sky, you're probably seeing Jupiter, the number 1 planet. So that was Jupiter.